Now we are going to see how to open a ChatGPT from mobile. So from mobile, how we have to use a ChatGPT and what are the features are available. So all that we are going to see now. So for that, you just open in your mobile any browser. So here I am opening a Google Chrome browser, and then you go and type in the website like OpenAI. Just click on OpenAI and then you just type it OpenAI here. You just come down. See, once you click on the OpenAI, it will show you all the information here. What are the advanced things or released recently, all the things it will show you. And then here if you see, it is showing like try chat gpt. Just click on that and then it will redirect to the login or sign up into the chat gpt. So here if you don't have an account, you just have to create a sign up, click on a sign up button, or else if you already have an account, then click on a login button. So I've already shown that how to sign up into the chat gpt account in my existing video, so that you can refer to that. So now I have already account and then click on login here. So once click on login, then type your mail id, okay, and then click on continue, then type password, okay, and then just continue, click on continue. See here, it will show you all the information. Just click on next. See, now we got chat gpt dashboard here. You see here we have a logout, same like however you see in a laptop or your desktop, right? The same way it will show you, but in mobile it will show you like a small screen. So I think everyone habituated to mobile, so that we can, if you wanted to do anything quick, then using chat gpt you can use in mobile also. So here we have same, however in desktop, right? The same it is there. And then you just see here, you can ask anything about chat gpt. I mean, if you want any like how to write quantum law, okay, just a small example I'm giving. See here, it will give you all the information whatever related to your question, right? It will give you all. Like if you wanted to write any code, if you don't want, okay, if you wanted to write any code, or you want to develop any application, or you want to write any queries, or you wanted to develop any web application or any kind of application, then it will show you, it will give you the result including code. Okay, so if you want how to write a Fibonacci series, okay, I'm just giving in Java. Like this I'm asking question, okay. Yeah, now see, it will give you all the code as well. You see here, and then you just have to copy code and then paste it wherever you want. Okay, so this is the simple way of using ChatGPT in mobile. I hope you understood well about this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to get more updates from my channel. Thank you.